Hi, my name's Alex Monaco, solicitor and head of Monaco Solicitors. We are an employment law specialist firm representing employees only in negotiations and employment tribunals when you've been badly treated at work. This video is all about data subject access requests. We have a number of other videos both on our website and on our YouTube channel, so be sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more videos like this. Well, what is a data subject access request? It is a specific type of letter. So it's normally a letter that you would write to your employer, and you're basically asking them to give you all of the documentation that they hold that refers to you. Could be in the format of email documentation, could be written letters, even WhatsApps and text messages. Anything that mentions your name, you can ask for that. Why would you do such a thing? Well, if you think about it, you're being badly treated by your employer. They're probably denying it, and you're in a negotiation trying to get yourself a fair deal, an exit package deal, so you can tide yourself over until you find a new job. If they're denying everything, you need some evidence to show that they are treating you badly or trying to get rid of you. Well, behind the scenes, management or other colleagues may have been bad-mouthing you on email, on internal chat. If you can get hold of that evidence, that's gold dust to use in your negotiation or even in your employment tribunal case if you have to go to tribunal. So what are the rules around data subject access requests? Well, they're completely free. So, what a great tool to have. Also, they have 1 month to reply. Generally, your employer has 1 month. However, what employers are doing now is they're using this exception under the rules which allow them to classify your request as manifestly excessive. If they say it's manifestly excessive, they will get up to 3 months to reply. So this is where you need to be careful and not ask for too much. If you literally ask for every single item that mentions your name in the last number of years, for example, they will of course respond that's manifestly excessive, and they will then wait 3 months, by which time, of course, your 3-month time limit will have run out, and you will then have to have issued an employment tribunal claim or at least contacted ACAS in order to progress your negotiation. So try and keep it as narrow as possible, a narrow time frame. Identify the specific people that you suspect may have been bad-mouthing you. If you can identify them, also be aware that the employer might not have used your full name. So if you can identify any nicknames or initials or any identifying features that would help them run a search on their computers, on their servers, then you're cooking on gas effectively. So try and keep it as narrow as possible. There are a whole load of other details and bits of advice on our website. Have a look at our subject access request page on there. If you don't have a lawyer, then obviously you don't actually need one. You can represent yourself, but just bear in mind that with us representing you, you're much more likely to get a better deal because your employer will really sit up and take notice of you, and they'll take you a lot more seriously. They'll think you're going to go to an employment tribunal. So one great tactic is to get yourself an employment lawyer if you can. We do offer free consultations in many cases, so please get in touch with us, and we'll be really happy to see if we can help you. Thanks a lot.